Harmonizer can work with a lot of different formats, and we offer Harmonizer in a variety of ways, and I'll talk about that a little later. But basically, almost really any format, any digital format you can provide us, and we can find a way to get it into Harmonizer. That's usually not a problem. We are a content conversion company, so that's easy to say. But there are some formats that are easier for us to deal with, and out of the box, Harmonizer can deal with those in any mix or match. So you can take Word, PowerPoint, Excel, HTML, PDF, text, and then XML and any XML flavor, DITA, S1000D, DocBook. All of these formats out of the box, Harmonizer can take and combine together. So another interesting thing that we see come up with companies that have already adopted component content management is they might have moved a bunch of their current content into their component content management system, but then later they might realize we have a bunch of legacy content. Should we bring that over? Is it going to be useful? How much does it share? Are these older documents maybe useful to bring over and maintain now in the new system? Well, one of the things I've seen customers do is they take their current warehouse topics or their current library of content that they're reusing, and they run it against a bunch of old Word documents, say, to see if there's a lot of stuff in those Word documents that's already being matching up with stuff in your current warehouse of topics. And that might tell you that there's a lot of value in moving that Word stuff over to the new system, because it would benefit, those documents would benefit from the newer language and improvements you've made through your component content strategy. So that's another nice feature of Harmonizer being really format agnostic. So it isn't just limited to a markup language. Harmonizer can really handle anything that ultimately boils down to text somehow.